What do you get when you take a 1,000 plus horsepower twin-turbo V8, strap on a front-mounted electric motor, slap a Corvette badge on it, and break every rule of tradition? You get this, the 2026 Chevy Corvette ZR1X. 1,250 horsepower, all-wheel drive, under 2 seconds to 60. This isn't just a Corvette, it's a warhead on wheels. Remember when the biggest Corvette news was moving the engine from the front to the middle? That was 2019. Since then, we've had the screaming flat-plane Z06, the hybrid all-wheel drive E-Ray, and now, this absolute lunatic, the ZR1X. Yes, it's real. Yes, it's insane. And yes, it technically is the long-rumored Corvette Zora, just under a new name. But make no mistake, this is the most extreme production Corvette in history. Let's talk power. Twin-turbo 5.5-liter V8, 1,064 horsepower. Front-mounted electric motor, 186 horsepower. Combined output, 1,250 horses and 1,100 plus pound-feet of torque. That's hypercar territory for a car that still has cup holders and can do your groceries. Chevy claims 0 to 60 in under 2.0 seconds and a quarter mile in under 9.0 seconds on unprepped pavement. That's not just fast, that's, did I just black out? Fast. The ZR1X is all-wheel drive, but this isn't about snow driving, it's about domination. The electric front axle now disengages at 160 miles per hour, 10 miles per hour higher than the E-Ray, and the motor revs 1,000 RPM higher for a total of 17,000. And if you want full beast mode, hit the new push-to-pass button on the steering wheel while flooring it in performance traction mode. And pray. But the ZR1X isn't just a dragster. Chevy redesigned the EAWD chassis control from scratch. This thing can pull over 1.0 grams laterally and longitudinally at the same time, which for you and your lunch might be a problem. Need to stop from 180 miles per hour in a hurry? Say hello to the J59 braking kit, 10-piston front, 6-piston rear calipers, and 16.5-inch carbon ceramic rotors. These are the biggest brakes ever fitted to a Corvette. They'll stop your soul. Inside, you get 3 massive screens, 14-inch digital gauge cluster, 12.7-inch center touchscreen, 6.6-inch left side screen for head-up and PTM controls. HVAC buttons, move to the dash, charge plus button, now on the wheel. It's modern, techy, and yeah, still unmistakably a C8 inside. You've got options. Base ZR1X comes with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, softer ride. Add the ZTK Performance Package, and you're getting stiffer springs, Cup 2R tires, a full carbon aero kit, and a surfboard-sized rear wing. Chevy hasn't released official pricing yet, but expect a number that starts around $250,000. That's not cheap, but consider this. The ZR1X delivers Bugatti-level numbers for a fraction of the price. Production begins late 2025, with the first ZR1Xs hitting roads shortly after. And yes, it's fully street legal. This is the final form of the C8 Corvette, a no-holds-barred hybrid monster that throws tradition out the window, flips you the bird, and hits 160 miles per hour with the front wheels pulling. Love it or hate it, you've never seen a Corvette like this.